Hi guys, my mommy bought this
humidifier.
humidifier. Because I can't say it. But let me
Show you
something about it when you turn off the lights. Turn off the lights, mommy, please.
Okay, before we turn off the light, let's see it with the light on first. Put it all the way. All the way. Wow, that's so cool. Star Wars.
Yeah. No,
Okay. Have a good night.
Yeah.
So you can sleep better.
Yeah, and also I want you
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the light and I'm gonna show you
Yeah.
when the light is off. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and I see a little bit of smoke.
Yeah, it glows in the dark. Okay, have a good night, baby.
Yeah, you can sleep with me.
No. Okay, have a good night, baby.
Yeah.
Love you.